To use the motion detection, make sure that you have the motion button selected. Next, adjust the slider to the volume you want the alarm to be. Then, when you are ready to arm the phone, tap the arm button. It will count down from 5, allowing you to lock the phone and set it down. It is now monitoring for motion. When it's moved, the screen will flash and give you a set amount of time to disarm it before the alarm sounds. To disarm it, all you have to do is unlock your phone.
Alright, now we will demonstrate the pickpocket mode. For this mode, you start off by simply hitting the pickpocket button. We can go into settings, we can change the time until alarm to make it instantaneous instead of 5 seconds. So we're going to move it all the way to the left at 0 seconds. We simply push the arm button, and at this point we lock our phone. We're going to simulate putting the phone in a pocket or purse by putting this sheet of paper over the proximity sensor. When somebody takes the phone out of your pocket or purse, then the alarm will immediately sound. Once the alarm sounds, we can disarm it by simply unlocking the phone.